Alright, here we go. Here we go.
Oh, jeez.
Can we learn Morse code?
Stay away from me. Click, click, dot, dot. Ah! Don't turn around, don't turn around. Oh, okay. Oh! Oh, run, run! Oh my gosh!
No, that's what. When the screen is all fuzzy, that means she's touching you. And the other two.
He's like, I'm not looking at my Right. Hate this game.
I'll go back in here. They're gonna be on the flat sides of one of these ones.
Two bottles of Mountain Dew I drank beforehand probably wasn't a good idea.
Do you have a dog?
Do I have a dog?
Yeah, do you have a dog?
Why do I have a dog?
Because if you have a dog, we're gonna need to use the same stuff to get his pee out of the carpet for my pee out of the carpet.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
I'll bet you I can scare Jed.
Oh jeez. Shut up. Shut up. Okay. Okay. Don't do that!
Don't go too close, because if you come around the corner, you're dead, dude. You have to like walk around it.
No, I'm not gonna turn around.
Don't turn around. Are you insane?
My flashlight goes out, dude.
Are you gonna use sound audio?
Yeah, probably. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh!
There was a landmark. You gotta turn around, bro.
Fine.
Big tree. Is that a big tree? Oh, that's just
It's
a
an
tree.
unusually large tree.
Yeah, that's weird. Oh, dude, you're lost now.
Freaking lost in the world.
I got to now. Now that you said that I have to turn it off. It won't. I can't run. I'm out of breath. Oh! Shift key found out. Turn on second games. Dang it! You can still play.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, click on there.
Okay.
Okay.
It was like. I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game.
That was
insane, dude.
That was
Never
sketchy.
again. Never again.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it was pretty fun though. It was scary.
What time is it?
I cried.
What time is it?
No, dude. It's
I
getting
think
late.
it's almost midnight.
Is it?
Dude, we've been playing this for 9 hours.
No way.
You know how bad that is? It's midnight. It's midnight.
Dude, I get like flipped out though.
Oh.
Hey, wait, do you have anything to do tomorrow?
Well, if you
No, if you did that book report,
Yeah.
but that's, you know,
Wait, book.
book report.
Well, who does book reports, right? Book report.
Okay.
Alright,
Guys, I'm going home.
guys.
What?
I forgot my backpack.
So what?
No, like,
Dude,
we gotta
Monday.
go get it, dude.
It's like A day, B day,
A
B
day,
day,
B day?
sort of thing, yeah.
No,
Just
dude,
do it.
Do we have to go to the school?
I know. Yeah, we gotta go.
You do realize it's...
On-
Okay, you know what?
You'll be crying.
Okay,
By
I
the
don't-
time. You'll
I'll
be crying by
cry.
the time we
You
get
know
the
what?
backpack.
You owe me one. You owe me one.
Alright.
Alright, okay.
I'm grabbing a flashlight,
You guys
though.
rock.
I'm not.
We gotta
I'm
go get my backpack. Let's
I'm
go
gonna
get scared.
flashlight.
Shut up. Shut up.
I forgot the camera.
Dude, I'm not walking alone.
Well, we're gonna be sketched out. So, here we go.
Oh, dude, someone check the door. Just... This is not right.
Look, there's a note.
What's this say?
Ask to Falquette.
Oh, dude, that's sketchy, man. I don't like this.
Well, let's just hope it was the janitors or something.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, frick.
Okay. What? What was that?
Is that you know who?
I don't know. I don't care. I want my mom. And I want to get out of here. Let's just leave.
Oh my gosh. We can't go.
Why?
Why?
I left my backpack. I dropped it.
You what? You
Holy crap.
We're gonna need some bigger guns.
I got you.
Much bigger guns.
Okay, so we just we sent the ROTC into the gym. If that guy's still in there, he's not gonna be there now. I don't. Oh my gosh, what was that?
Dude, did you see that?
Oh, jeez. Okay.
Oh, dude.
That was creepy. Oh my gosh.
That was.
Okay.
Wait. Okay.
Oklahoma.
It's way too sketchy.
Oh my God.
It's way too sketchy to be normal. Dude, we're in the woods? This is the flipping woods? Oh, no, it's not. Okay. Wait, do you guys see that? Oh my God. Why'd you go that way?
Dude, why would we come in here, man?
That's bad.
I'm sorry. I know, it's sketchy.
Dude, I see that there. That moves me. That moves me. Up here. What the? Okay.
What is
I just need a rest here. I just need a rest. Okay. That's enough.
Let's just, we gotta get in there. Let's
What's
just
that?
get out.
Except
What's
this. Are you serious?
They don't have it. I do.
What in the?
What is?
Oh my gosh.
Who doesn't have it?
What's that?
Cheerleaders?
Oh.
What?
Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Okay.
This is nuts.
Is he there? Is he there?
I don't know. I can't tell.
gone.
I can't tell.
Guys, this is sketchy.
Oh my God.
This is too much. This is too much.
Dude, I don't know what to do.
Oh man. This is ridiculous. Over here, Jed.
This game, I don't understand.
I can't do this.
I had my backpack.
Oh man.
Where?
Okay, what if we got like a bucket of water?
Dude, I'm
and
sick
we
of
could be
seeing
like,
him everywhere.
we could be like, send that. Be gone.
Oh, he's not the Wicked Witch of the West.
Okay, well, you know what? I don't hear you coming up with bright ideas. You numbskull.
Well, you
We're
know
gonna
what?
die.
Dude, I don't know. I'm sick of seeing him everywhere. I'm seriously, I'm terrified.
I'm looking everywhere.
He's gonna be over there in
You know
like
what? Why
2
do you have
seconds.
to leave your
I
backpack?
swear.
You're like a freaking dimwit.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's both. That's both
dude.
dimwit and dumbskull.
Were you even
dimwit?
holding your
Okay.
backpack?
You know what?
You don't
yeah.
even know what it's like.
Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe next time I'll forget
Hey,
mine.
dude, I'm sorry, but hey, well, tell you the truth.
What is this? Okay, this ain't some game. All right. That last
wait,
night,
either
that's the
way.
game. This ain't a game.
My mom will kill me anyway if I don't get my backpack. So if we die,
I'm gonna kill you if you do that one more time.
Okay, you know what? Let's at least,
Okay, what's
at least you're
what's
coming
that?
with me to get it.
What's that?
The heck? What's this say?
Stop running.
What does that even mean?
Oh my heck, man. He wants us to stop running so he can catch
wait.
us.
And start dancing.
Okay, I'm horrible at puzzles.
saying?
What does that even mean?
I would say.
Alright, dude. I want my mommy.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, seriously. I'm gonna go find my
No,
mother.
Jade. Where are we going? What are we doing?
Okay, let's go.
We good?
Okay, let's go. Okay, we're here.
Oh, I can't see anything. Wait a second. Ah, there we go. Oh,
I can't do this, Jaden. Just forget your backpack. Let's just give up.
No, dude. I won't give up.
what? That's the spirit, man. We won't give up. Oh my heck.
Gosh, dude, oh my gosh.
Okay, we're leaving. Okay. My life's over, and there's not a girl in it. That's closer.
Here's your backpack.
What?
Wait, what?
Your backpack. No. Wait. I'm the ghost of Falcon Pass.
You're the who?
I was just trying to help you guys out.
Well then, what about the note?
Who left the note?
Okay.
Okay.
I just, you know what, guys? It's too much. I need some sleep.
Well, that was weird.
Let's go home.
Yeah.
It's not every place.
Anticlimactic.
Thank you. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, Spirit. Oh.